Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is fine. Today we are making Tsofi, Ghana Tsofi. So Tsofi is turkey tail. So we are going to make. I have my Tsofi that washed, clean and everything here, and I have onion, one medium-sized onion, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet, and I have also mixed spice and herbs. I have oregano, I have thyme and aniseeds, and also here I have salt, jumbo cube and Maggi, and also suya powder here that we're going to use after. Okay, so let's start it. I'm gonna add the turkey tail, the Tsofi here, and I'm going to put the spices also on it. Okay. And I'm gonna blend, add a tiny bit of water. See, and I'm gonna blend the tomatoes, the pepper, onion, and the ginger and the garlic. So now I'm gonna add the mixture, the ginger, garlic, and onion here with the scotch bonnet, here together, and also the mixed spice and salt and the Maggi. So that's the chicken stock. I'm going to add and the Maggi, and then we're going to mix this so the sauce and everything can go in properly. That's it. So I'm going to leave it to cook for, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to leave it to cook. Yeah. So our turkey is still cooking. Yeah. Look how it looks. Beautiful. I think it's not ready. We're going to leave it for another 5 minutes to cook, and we'll be back. So guys, at this point our meat is ready. Our Tsofi is ready. So I'm just going to take it out and leave it for all the sauce to come out first, and then I will deep fry. This is a pan. I have oil in here, vegetable oil. I'm going to fry this. Ooh, wow, my oil is really hot. Just be careful when the oil is hot. Very, very careful. So we're just going to leave it to fry for about 10 minutes, and we'll be ready. At this point, our Tsofi is ready. It's done. See how brown it looks. That's done. So I have a tissue paper here. I'm going to sit on it. Cooked. So we're going to decorate it and show you how. So voila, our Tsofi is ready. Turkey tail is finished. So we are going to have this with yam. You can have with anything: kenke, dokono, bankun, boiled yam, fried yam, and anything that you of your choice you can have with. Yeah. So thank you for coming today, and please comment and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye.